Okie dokie! Today we're going to be changing the oil in a Ram, a 2001 Ram 1500, and this is the one right here. Alright, so it looks like a little rust, but that won't get in the way. We need a little more light though. Yeah, let there be some sun and Shazam! Oh, that's not good. I was getting under here. I just happened to reach up here and, well, it's just falling apart. Rust. Alright, so we're under here. Rolling up my sleeves. I got lucky. I guessed a 5/8 wrench for the nut here, for the bolt, and I was right. Well, what do you know? Alright, and ready? Whee! There we go. Fill her up. Easy peasy. At least it looks easy peasy. My rollers aren't rolling too well because my driveway is full of little potholes. And it's driving me nuts. Alright. So while this is draining, get set up to take the old filter off. Yeah, unfortunately the downside of working outdoors is the wind, and it wants to blow this oil all over the frickin' place. Stop it. Jeez, oh, Pete, come on. Good fucking gravy. Alright. Screw it. Good enough. Getting oil all over my driveway. Alright, put that back on. Go. All right, we're good there. And right up here is the filter. A little hard to see. It's right there. There it is. This little blue guy right here. And all right, well, I got this handy dandy tool here, as you can see. Easy peasy, locks right in. Oh yeah, that turned easily. And now that will come out. Slide this over here because we're gonna get some more oil, probably from this. Oh yeah. And of course the wind. Alright. Next time I'm gonna have to set up some cardboard wind barriers or something. This is stupid. There we go. that's it. It is done. Now, I'll get the new one. And as you can see, I just went for a basic cheap oil filter for 5,000 miles. There was another one a little more expensive for 10,000 miles, but this old truck isn't going to be driving 5,000 more miles anytime soon. We only use it when we need it. We don't use it for daily transportation or anything. If we need to pull something, throw something in the back, whatever. Or if another vehicle breaks down or hits a deer, then, well, I guess it's out of commission, and then we use this one as a backup. So there it is. I don't really know if this is necessary, but I was always taught by good old dad when I was a kid, put a little bit of oil on the seal right here, this rubber gasket. It basically just helps you screw it on easier. It goes on smoother, possibly even in the threads here. I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so basically I just dip my finger in the oil a little bit, put some on the gasket, a little on the inside here. There we go, we're good. There, and now let's put this baby on, shall we? All right, finally got a good camera angle. All right, so there it is, right up here. Do is line this up, turn it, and just tighten it up. Very simple, very simple. There we go. Now usually you just have to get it hand tight and that should do it, but my hands are a little slippery, so I'm just gonna nudge it with the tool here. The tool. It's Duralast. Duralast. There we go. Give it a little twist, and we're good to go. Shazam! Alright, the only thing we have left to do is to fill her up. So, we've got right here engine oil. Handy dandy funnel. Stay. And we've got oil, of course. It takes 5 quarts. We got 5 quarts of 10W30. And going in. Glub, glub, glub. Come on. Go down. In case you didn't know, if you have the funnel sitting too flush with your hole there that you have it in, it won't allow any air in, and the oil will move slower. This way, pull it up a little bit, give it some air, and it pours right in. There we go. Sit there for a minute, drain. Of course, you should always recycle your old oil. I usually take mine to AutoZone. I'll just dump it out of my oil pan back into this container. Mark it with a Sharpie. It's old oil. It's so it doesn't get mistaken as new. Says that wouldn't be good if you put old oil. There we go. Ready to rock and roll. Ta-da! Wasn't that fun? And now we just have the mess to clean up. Nice. Clean up my funnel. I'm good to go. See you next time.